Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, wallpaper, then you have to select if you want to set yourself some preset wallpapers, which you can find here at the Wallpapers. You can also select one of the live wallpapers if you have one. As you can see, there's not many of these preset wallpapers. You can also set your own image as a wallpaper by going here. Here you can select one of the presets, and here you can select your own image. Then you have to adjust it, and then tap here set wallpaper to set it. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And that's it. Wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.